So you clicked on the video thinking, earthquake in the Midwest? What? Yeah, I had a lucid dream about an earthquake in the Midwest. I have lucid dreams, and normally they're just regular dreams, but this is my first disaster dream. I've never had a disaster dream before. So before we get going, my name is Tia, and thank you for clicking on the Healing Girl channel. I just wanted to share this with you because my spirit guide said I should. I am not a prophecy person. I don't give prophecy or anything like that. It's just that this dream was just so real to me that it shook me to my core, and I wanted to share it. I have lucid dreams. They're never this startling. So this one right here shook me really bad for about a week. So I tried to forget about it and realized that I couldn't. So my spirit guide said, go ahead and share it. So this is what the dream was about. I was walking. I'm in Chicago, on the east side of Chicago, walking towards a viaduct, which is, if you don't know what a viaduct is, there's an overpass and there's a walkway that goes underneath the overpass. And as I'm walking, I see semis and everything shake. The whole area just shake. We're all shaking. Really, it's violent shake. And I've never been in an earthquake before, so I don't know how it feels. But I'm guessing this one felt like it was the worst earthquake ever, the way it looked to me. So if you would look on I looked on my right side, there was nothing but semis bending and, breaking down and going down a massive hole that broke open in the ground in the street. And cars are bending and falling into the hole as well. And it was so frightening. I looked over to my left and saw buildings just crumbling to the ground. All the buildings just crumbling. They didn't just shake, they just crumbled. And that's what scared me so bad, because I knew that this had to be the worst, and the worst of all earthquakes ever. Now, this could be anywhere in the United States. I'm not sure, but for some reason I felt like it was in the Midwest. And I woke up and I was really shook from this and tried to forget about it, and I couldn't. So I just thought I would share. I just want to send love and light, and I ask that you do too, that this, is not happening. I pray that I am wrong, and there's nothing we could do about it. It's not like we could stop the earthquake from happening. I guess we could leave, but I wouldn't leave. I mean, not from a random woman on on YouTube telling you about an earthquake happening. But just send love and light to all of us and everyone in the United States. This could happen anywhere in the United States. So just praying for all of our safety and love. So tell me, do you have any lucid dreams, or have you had any dreams about earthquakes or any predictions that's coming to the United States anytime soon? Could this be some kind of, symbolism? I'm not sure. But if you have any idea, or if you had the same thing happen to you, let me know, and, in the comments below, and share, because this is frightening. So I never had a disaster dream. And I thank you for clicking on and listening. Just pray that it doesn't happen. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up to share this content. Thank you.